Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we are going to study Unit 5. Food. Objective. Talk about food and eating healthy habits using present simple. First of all, we are going to learn something about food, some dishes, and some vocabulary. Pay attention please, and you have to practice this at home.
Steak and a baked potato.
Spinach salad with tomatoes and onions.
Cheese and fruit.
Pasta with tomato sauce.
Vegetable soup and bread.
Rice and beans.
Fried chicken.
A tuna fish sandwich.
A burger and fries.
Now we are going to continue with present simple tense, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Remember, in the present simple tense, we have to conjugate the verbs in the third person. We have the subject pronouns I, you, we, they, and also in this case we have the verb speak. With the subject pronouns he, she, it, we have to add in this case a letter S. The verb is speaks. This in the affirmative way. I speak English, he speaks Spanish, they live in London, or she lives in Paris. In the negative way, we have to use the auxiliary don't or doesn't according to the subject. In this case, we have the subject at, you, with, they, plus don't, and also plus the verb. In this case, it could be speak, need, or like. With the subject pronouns he, she, it, third person, we have to use the auxiliary doesn't. Okay? To form questions, also we need the auxiliary do or does according to the subject. For example, do you speak English? It could be a question. It could be the question you have to answer yes or not. In the third person, we have the auxiliary does. In this case, does he speak English? You have to answer yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Also, we have here some examples. Let's check the spelling rules for third person singular he, she, it. In most cases, add s to the base form of the verb. It could be it, its. In the base form, ends in s, sh, ch, x, or z, add es. For example, if you have the verb teach, you have to add es, it teaches. A consonant plus y change y to and add s study studies. In this case, you have to add ies, but you have to change the letter y. In a consonant plus out, add es. For example, we have the verb go. You have to write goes in a third person. Also, we have do. You have to write does in the third person. You have to complete this exercise in your book for the next class. For example, we have here a sentence. Sylvie drinks a glass of orange juice to breakfast. She doesn't drink coffee. In this case, we conjugate the verb because Sylvie is a third person singular. Remember this. When we have the auxiliary doesn't, the verb is in its base form. Also, we have here some exercises. You have to complete this in your book. For example, Maria, we have the verb live, and you have to conjugate. In this case, Maria lives in Mexico City, but her parents live in a small town. Okay? Also, we are going to continue with the simple present yes no questions. Okay? In this kind of sentences, when we have these sentences, we have to answer yes or not according to the question. For example, we have here the auxiliary do or does according to the subject. Yeah. For example, it says, do you like spicy food? Maybe you say, yes, I do, or you say, no, I don't. If you have the third person singular, in this case could be he or she, you say, does he like spicy food? You can say, yes, he does, or maybe you say, no, he doesn't. When we answer with short answers, we use we will use the contractions. Okay, here we have some exercises. In this case, for example, complete the questions and answers. Example, do you like spicy food? Said, no, I don't. Also, you have to complete these exercises at home. Another example, what are you eating? Pasta with chocolate sauce. Really? Does it taste good? Yes, it does. Do you want some? Yeah, you have to complete these exercises also in your book. Homework, complete exercises and write a paragraph about your favorite food. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day.